Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I usually trim my hair and moisturize. So my hair has been suffering from lots of damage recently. I lost my edges and my ends have been breaking off so badly. As you can see here, my roots are so thick and the ends are very thin. So I decided to just trim my hair ends off and start all over. I didn't trim much though, but it was at least up to 2 inches of hair. So yeah. What I normally do when I want to trim my hair is I just section my hair into different sections, like a Bantu knot kind of section, and I begin to take little portions of those sections and trim out the ends. So yeah, it's quite simple. As you can see here, that is what I am doing. I cut my hair really short. I cut about a year growth of hair. The damage was too much because then before, you see, I still have a little bit of damage here, but it's not much. Especially at the back, it was really bad because I neglected my hair for months. The damage was really terrible. But today, my hair now is very short, looks chopped. If you know you don't want chopped hair and you're very attached to your hair, please don't trim your hair. Yes, so guys, after the trim, I decided to moisturize my hair with water and some oils. So what I was doing here, I just massaged the water into my strands, thoroughly into my strands, and then I sealed with oil and decided to just brush up my edges a little bit. I wasn't really going anywhere, so I just decided to put my hair in a bun, and I was very lucky. It was not so short, it still could fit in a bun, so at least I have a little bit of length to style the hair.